This video is for anyone who is new to Asana's AI Studio. You're feeling maybe a bit intimidated and you're not sure how to use it, how to approach it, and how to test. I'm going to show you a recently released new feature that is going to make it so much easier because now you can just talk to it in natural language. So let's get right into the demo. I've got my project up here. I'm going to go into customize real quickly. Going to go to rules, and we're going to go in and add a rule. So we already know that, previously we have and still do have rules within Asana. We have these custom made ones, or we can create, we have these ready built ones, or we can create custom ones. And then same with AI Studio, we have these ready built AI teammate rules, or we can create a custom one. All right. And I've got a video kind of outlining all of these different options here for us. But let's go into create with AI Studio. And so traditionally we would have to go in and create this big prompt, and we would have to add the different projects and tasks and tell it what to do, and it would take a lot of testing, and it still will, but there's a new option called create right down here. And so rather than going and putting in your guidance and having to link everything, you can just talk to it with natural language to tell it what you want it to do. So the use case for this one, I'm going to say when a task is submitted and we get to on hold, maybe we want it to do something. It's going to be a totally random made up example, but let's just see here for a second what it's going to do. So create with AI, and let's see what it says. What do you want the rule to do? When a task has the submission status on hold, I want to create a subtask notifying the team. In this case, a campaign is on hold, and you need to help us come up with a plan to unblock it and get it back to in progress. Or active. I don't even know if that's the options because I can't remember what they are, but let's just see what it says now. So I've given it this information. Let's just hit create and see what happens. And I'm going to let this run in real time. There we go. So it's done this all for me. It says when submission status is changed, we want to check that submission status is on hold. And then we want to create subtasks, develop plan to unblock campaign. And then within the description, it's going to use AI to do its own thing. So it's given us this guidance all on its own. You are a helpful assistant for the marketing team. When a campaign is put on hold, you need to create a subtask that notifies the team about the situation. In your subtask description, explain that the campaign is currently on hold and the team needs to develop a plan to unblock it and get it back to active campaign status. Great. So that's actually what it's called. I forgot what it was called. So it's actually pulled in the right variable from the custom field, which is cool. Provide clear instructions that they should collaborate to identify blockers and propose solutions to resume the campaign. Reference the marketing campaign intake project in your response. So let's see what else it did. Let's go see what model it decided on. Sonnet 4, probably don't need that one. Let's just go with low cost for right now and leave everything else as is. Okay, so I've got a task here. We've got some information there from a little while ago. So let's just see what happens. Let's go on hold. It's gonna go to the on hold section and let's see what it's doing now. There it is. Right, so create subtask when campaign is on hold, couldn't run, show reasoning. Let's see why not. Unable to process a response, try again with a different AI model. Interesting, so I changed the model. Maybe it knew what it was doing. So let's go back in. So I guess GPT-4o Mini can't handle this type of request. That is good to know. All right, let's put this back to new request, move it back up to the top, and then let's go on hold. There we go. So create subtask when campaign is on hold. So develop plan to unblock. Let's show the reasoning here. Thoughts. Looking at the task, I can see that Cirface demo campaign has been put on hold as indicated by the on hold. Yeah, thanks so much. AI, so smart. According to the guidance, I need to create a subtask that notifies the team. Yep, you're right. Since this is a single campaign that's on hold, I only need to create one subtask. Loop count of 1. Awesome. The subtask should explain that the campaign is currently on hold and provide clear instructions for the team to collaborate on identifying blockers. Awesome. So let's go take a look at it. So here's our subtask here. So campaign is on hold. The current status was moved to on hold. The launch date September 3rd, budget 50K, deliverables so-and-so, action required. The team needs to collaborate to identify blockers and develop a comprehensive plan to get this campaign back to active status. Next steps, identify blockers, assess impact, develop solutions, create timelines, assign responsibilities, right? So this thing is like thinking through what actually needs to happen here. And if we wanted to better define what this action plan needs to look like, we can add that to the guidance as well. I didn't give it a lot of information on purpose. I wanted to show the capabilities of the smart create, right? But it's given us a pretty detailed outline of like what needs to happen, right? And then this could obviously be assigned to a human to come through and then take action on this. And so this is just one of the like many capabilities and use cases for AI. So with any of these demos, I really want you to think about what can this look like in my space, right? And if you're not able to get there, then let us help you. We're running AI Studio demos all the time. You can click the link in the description. You probably saw a QR code pop up throughout the video, but we'd love to come in, sit down with your team, take a look at where the gaps are and how we can fit an AI teammate in there for you. So we'll be happy to run a demo, take a look at your specific use case and help you better utilize the tool that you're already investing in by taking advantage of more intelligent workflows as we move towards the future. But if this was helpful and you're not the decision maker or you want someone else on your team to see what I just showed you and what you just witnessed, then do me a favor, forward this video to them, send an email, put a comment in, let me know what you thought, so that we can help with this wider adoption of this really incredible technology. But as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.